Hey there, my name is Gardiner, your friendly neighborhood developer advocate with Linode. I've been doing a couple of these videos about Cloudron, how to install and configure some of the coolest self-hosted apps and do so on a Linode VPS. So we're going to go ahead and install another app today, and if you haven't seen the Cloudron installation video, you'll find a link right up here. Make sure you complete that before you start following here, because otherwise you'll be completely lost. So the first thing we're going to do once we're all set up with Cloudron is we're going to go over here to App Store. And we're going to install the Rust implementation of Bitwarden. Now, Bitwarden is a password manager. There are a couple different implementations of it in the cloud, and there's also desktop applications, and there's web browser extensions and such like that, and apps on your phone even. Now, this Bitwarden implementation is not the official Bitwarden server. So we're going to go ahead and install the one that's available in Cloudron, Bitwarden RS, and we'll just go ahead and find it in the list and click install. Now, Cloudron gives us the option to install Bitwarden as an app on the linodians.net domain or on a subdomain of linodians.net. And we'll go ahead and just say bitwarden.linodians.net. And we're going to go ahead and click install. Now, this does not support the Cloudron single sign-on feature that Cloudron is famous for. And that's by design. This is a secure, or hopefully secure instance of Bitwarden. So we will we'll have to set this up on our own. Now, it will take a moment to install this, as Cloudron sometimes does. And there we go, Bitwarden has been configured. So let's go ahead and click on this. On first visit, register yourself and start using Bitwarden RS. Please see the Bitwarden RS documentation for helpful information and common topics on this app. So we'll go ahead and open that in a new window. We'll acknowledge these instructions and we'll go ahead and click open. Now we create our secure Bitwarden account, and we'll create this account here. And we will submit. Boom. There we go. We're all logged in now. So let's go into Firefox here and go to add-ons. We'll search for Bitwarden here on Firefox. And let's click on this and hit add to Firefox. And we're going to add this extension here, which will let us log into our account. So in order to sign into a self-hosted account, you're going to click on settings here. You're going to type in your server name. So https://bitwarden.linodians.net, and of course you'd set up your own account on there. And these should be optional here. So we're gonna go ahead and hit save. We're gonna go to login, and we're gonna put in our username and password and hit login. And now we have Bitwarden set up. And now as we create accounts across the web, Bitwarden will pick up on those and save them to our self-hosted Bitwarden instance. There are a number of customizations that you can make to your Bitwarden instance, particularly with your own user account. One of the things that is most critical to your security is to enable two-factor authentication. So let's go ahead and click on settings, and let's go to login, two-step login here. And we'll go ahead and hit manage for authenticator app, and we'll put in our password, and then we'll go ahead and bring up our phone and open up our two-factor authentication app. Now, I use FreeOTP Plus, which is available in F-Droid on Android. You can get any number of other devices. It looks like they're recommending Authy. There's also Google Authenticator, but that is not very good. You can't really export your keys out of that if you get a new phone or anything. So I've brought up the camera here to scan this QR code, and I'll go ahead and do that. And now you can see we have Bitwarden on my phone. We can just tap that. It gives us a one-time password. Now, this is way more secure than setting up like SMS messages that send one-time passwords, because SMS messages can be intercepted and they're not secure at all. So setting up something like this that you can configure with one-time passwords like this, it's a good deal. There's also desktop applications you can get if you want to do it that way. So once we've set up the app here by scanning the QR code, we're going to tap on Bitwarden here on the phone, and then we'll type in the one-time password that it gives us. And now two-factor authentication has been enabled for our Bitwarden account. This is a massive improvement in security from just having a username and password. Now you have something you know and something you have to prove your identity. And that's two of the three pillars of security. I would also recommend that you record and save this offline. This is your recovery code. And if you ever can't access your Authenticator app for any reason, or you lose it, or your phone dies or something, you'll need this in order to recover from a two-factor authentication scenario where you don't have it anymore. So we'll click on View Recovery Code and we'll hit Continue. And then you're going to want to take this, you're going to want to like print this off and put it in a safe or something, somewhere offline. You don't want this anywhere that can be hacked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this code, I'm going to label it Bitwarden, I'm going to print it off, I'm going to put it in my safe. And that way I'll have this when I need it, or if I need it, if my phone dies or something. Now there are other methods of two-factor authentication. You could do YubiKey. YubiKeys are super cool, and we have a video about that here on the channel. Wolfgang from Wolfgang's channel on YouTube made it, and it's really cool. So check that one out. But I think that's going to do it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. It's been a blast. Stay tuned. We're going to have another video coming down the pipeline where we're talking about other self-hosted password solutions. So that should be a lot of fun. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.